how to make a super cute preppy flag. This is how you're going to make this super cute preppy flag. First, you're going to need lots of felt, and you're going to pick 2 colors for the base. So one of the reasons that I have like 2 bases is because this one's like the backing color, and this one just sticks out just a little bit, so this one's going to be a bit smaller. I just glued them together with Elmer's glue, which was not the best. I actually used this Elmer's glue to glue it together, which I do not recommend, but if you have like some fabric glue, I think it's way better. So I use that to glue like the middle. This is what I used around the edges. I recommend to use the fabric glue though. Super glued around it, and then cut off the extra sides, and then just freehanded the triangle. Then I just wrote my name on a piece of paper to see kind of how big I want the letters to be. And I just freehand drew the letters, and I glued them on with super glue, and then I bedazzled it, which took so long, but it looked so good in the end. So for the letters, I just drew it out first, like as you can see on this one and that one. I totally recommend doing that because this one I didn't, and you can see it would look better, a bit more straight if I did that. Then I just bedazzled on the sides like a little bit. That was supposed to be a heart, didn't really look like one. I made these little 2 like tassels, and I just glued those to it. Added little bedazzles at the end, and that is how it looked like. It looked so good. I thumbtacked to my wall. I love it so much. Thank you so much for watching Dorothy Carollo's YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe.